Luckily, I wasn't alone here in the hood. See, my cousin Loke Dog lived right across the street. Loke Dog was America's worst nightmare. Raised in a house with 3 generations of hopelessness, poverty, and profanity.
Loke Dog, turn that loud-ass motherfucking music down. You're waking up the fucking babies, motherfucker. This still my motherfucking house, motherfucker. Who the fuck is that on my porch?
Hey, Miss Dog.
Hey, Ashtray. You come to stay with your daddy for good?
Yeah.
Come on in. You tell your pretty-ass motherfucking daddy I said hello?
Yeah.
Baby, do me a favor and pass me that shit over there.
Hey.
Care for a little soup?
No, thanks. I'm cool. Oh, is Loke Dog here?
Yeah, that lazy-ass motherfucker's back there in the back doing nothing as usual.
Okay, well, I'll see you later.
All right, then.
Hey, Grandma.
Ashtray, you little bitch-ass motherfucker. Come over here and give your grandma a hug. Ah, that's my nigga. You been wearing them Jimmy hats like Grandma gave you?
Yes, ma'am. How are you?
Oh, my old stinky ass is fine, except for my arthritis in my trigger finger. But I can still stick and move.
I bet you can.
That beating the police give me didn't slow me down a bit. Come on, motherfucker. Give me your best shot.
Come on, Grandma. I don't want to do nothing like that.
Oh, come on, nigga.
Come on, Grandma. I don't want to do that. Stop. Come on. Ooh. Damn, them fake teeth are hard. Bye-bye.
You still hit like a bitch, motherfucker.